She's doing is how to make
All
borax.
I did is I just added glue. Food coloring, and borax.
You don't need the food coloring, by the way. You can get it.
Optional. Food coloring is optional. It will still work without food.
But you need water though. You need
Yeah.
this water.
You put the borax in the water and you just mix it until it dissolves.
And this is our second glue we made. Our second glue we made.
And then you just place it.
We can make a container. If you get those,
All you need is just in a container.
well, if you want a cheap container, you can just get those chili containers and clean it out. Put it in here if it's small enough.
So this is how it's going so far. It's still wet. And then it will stop sticking to you all of a sudden. So it's still not ready yet.
But most importantly, you need borax. You need
Yeah.
this borax.
The most important ingredient is borax and glue.
Yeah, glue
You have
too.
to have this.
You need to have it. Or else it's not going to work.
It won't work. Well, there's different recipes that you could do without borax, but the recipe I'm doing, you need borax. So here you go. This is your slime.
See what she said.
It's exactly the same thing. This one, it's more better. I don't know why. But I promise that I use the same ingredients. Oh, it's because this one I use more glue on this one.
So the purple one, if you want to make a better one, you can add more glue.
So this is, where's the camera? So this is the final product.
So if you want to make it better, you can add more glue, but don't add too much, Chris.
Yeah.
It'd
You want
be
it to
really-
make it bigger, you need to add a lot.
Yeah, you make it bigger and then add a lot of glue.
So that's it for the video.
I'll see you guys later. Bye.